Hi and welcome to the Grand Series brought to you by Asia One Magazine and QRS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC 2020-21. Through this series, we attempt to showcase awe-inspiring success stories of some eminent Asian brands and leaders all over the world who have immensely contributed towards the growth of Asian and world economy. The curtain raiser comes from none other than the man behind the vision for the greatest brands and leaders, Mr. Rajat Raj Shugal, Global Head and Principal Partner, QRS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
It's unfortunate that some of the contemporaries that Asia One has were because they were owned by American and European companies, they were not always talking about the Asian entrepreneurs. And that is the difference that Asia One wants to make, where through these brand and leader listings, we want to recognize your stories, and actually take this content to readers across the world.
We also have a special message from a special guest, Shri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, on the Go Vocal for Local movement, encouraging people to use local products.
मैं बिजनेस कम्युनिटी को ये आह्वान करना चाहूँगा कि आइए हम सब मिलकर के जनजातीय समाज के साथ जो लोकल और वोकल कॉन्सेप्ट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने दिया है, उसे उस सपना को हम पूरा करने के लिए मिल करके काम करें। बहुत सारे ऐसे उत्पाद हैं जो उत्पाद हमारे देश के लिए और दुनिया के लिए आकर्षण, वैसे उत्पादों को हम आगे बढ़ाएं और बिजनेस कम्युनिटी से यही अपेक्षा रहेगी कि इन सारी चीज़ों का वो अच्छा भूमिका निभाए। जनजातीय समाज इन कार्यों को सफल करने के लिए मंत्रालय की ओर से लगातार प्रयास करें। I must congratulate Rajat Sukhi ji who initiate to promote the tribal and the dynamic leadership with the Narendra Modi, the country how to proceed in future.
We have a message from another eminent personality, Dr. Survo Kamal Datta, leading political and economic expert, on the Honorable Prime Minister's call for Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Vocal for local actually means, as per the phrase given by the Honorable Prime Minister, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is very important in the present scenario because Indian economy, if it has to be revived, if it has to be made dynamic, if it has to be made more like steady fast as such, then we have to be Atmanirbhar, which means self-reliant, which means we have to have that self-reliance. We have to make the backbone of the Indian economy strong so that we can not only overcome this challenge, but at the same time we can also look ahead and we can march ahead in the 21st century. I wish Asia One huge success as such.
The main aim of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC series is to highlight the actual drivers of India's and Asia's economic engine. In fact, these greatest brands and leaders have been playing a pivotal role in shaping the economy of Asia and the world. So let's get started with the most quoted category, which is Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21. The leaders and the brands that are being honored under this category are Dr. Suresh Menon, Founder, President and CEO, Menon International Inc. and its subsidiaries Menon Biosensors Inc. and Menon.
Dr. Suresh Menon established the San Diego, California-based company developing patent process that turns agriculture byproduct into functional animal protein ingredient-based food known as Mr. Feed. Menon Renewable Products Incorporated under the brand name Mr. Feed represents a disruptive technology that fulfills worldwide demand for sustainable renewable animal feed. Additionally, it provides a nutritionally balanced animal food that outperforms rival brands in poultry farming and aquaculture. It also promotes survivability and disease remediation, and it is specially balanced to enhance digestibility, gut health, and reducing the need for antibiotics and other treatments. Best of all, production of Mr. Feed reduces the negative carbon footprint generated when these products otherwise sent to landfill. Menon Biosensors Incorporated has developed a universal biomarker detection platform that provides qualitative and quantitative pathogen detection results faster and at a lower cost than competing technologies. The core molecular mirror technology utilizes nanoparticles functionalized with biomarkers. They also have NMR and MRI systems available at virtually every metropolitan hospitals across the United States.
I specifically studied Menon Renewable Products and came up with Mr. Feed in order to meet the increasing worldwide demand for an abundant, sustainable, cost-competitive, and renewable source of animal feed. Mr. Feed has been proven in aquaculture, poultry, and ruminants, with other animal species currently under testing. It has demonstrated superior performance when compared to traditional feeds in the areas of survivability, growth, disease remediation, feed conversion ratio FCR, and overall animal health. I chose to focus on animal feed because I noticed a trend of increased density in farm animals and a number of unintended consequences for the animals associated with that. I've dedicated a majority of my life in innovation and philanthropic activities that improve food sustainability, preservation of endangered species, and enhance human nutrition to improve immunity against infection and disease.
Mr. Chetan Singh Hare, Managing Director, Hare One Group, Kenya, East Africa.
Nairobi-based visionary Chetan Singh Hare, Managing Director of Hire One Group, is one of Nairobi's premier real estate development companies that has been focused on providing high-quality developments that set a benchmark for the real estate industry in Kenya. Hire One Group has executed some of the largest residential and commercial projects in the heart of Nairobi city and contributed towards changing the landscape of real estate and are synonymous with world-class standards, renowned for premium finishes, intelligent layouts, good return on investment, flexible payment plans, and a superior after-sales maintenance. The group's leadership under Chetan Singh Hire believes in relationship and trust and works towards creating value and wealth for all its stakeholders, including employees, investors, suppliers, bankers, contractors, and most importantly, their customers.
The seed got sowed very early on in my life. During the school days, I got an opportunity to go to the construction sites of my dad, who was a developer of his own right. The idea of a concept moving from your mind to the paper as a design and then moving on to a construction site and then hopefully turning into a landmark that's there for decades to come was very inspiring, very motivating for me. The focus has always been to create value for our customers. Real estate is an expensive purchase, and creating the right property that has higher rental yield and good price appreciation has always been the focus of our organization, and that has set us apart and given us a strong foothold in the industry. Creating wealth for our customers' real estate portfolio has been the principal focus for our organization.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we take a short break. Stay back, stay tuned, as we will be right back with some more panoramic presentations on the success stories of greatest brands and leaders.
दोस्तों, मुझे ये बताने में बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि स्टार मंच को बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है। अब आपके सिंगिंग पैशन को मिलेगी एक नई पहचान। आज ही डाउनलोड करें स्टार मंच और पाएं मौका स्टार मंच सिंगिंग सेंसेशन ऑफ इंडिया बनने का। ऑल द बेस्ट।
When you live in a fast-moving, ever-changing world, life brings forth unlimited possibilities. Yours to explore, excite, enjoy, educate, evaluate, and elucidate with Elan. Never stop moving forward with Darwin Platform Group. Darwin Platform Group, the visionaries.
Welcome back to the Grand Series, Asia One, Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia and GCC 2020-21. Continuing with the Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21 and Asia One Global Asian of the Year 2020-21. The leaders and the brands that are being awarded under these categories are Mr. Pawan K. Sharma, CEO, West Africa Consumer Goods, Tolaram Group.
From the time of their inception in 1948, their over 70-year-long journey has taken Tolaram Group across various continents and cultures and has seen them grow from a humble tailor shop in Indonesia to a presently diversified group excelling in sectors like FMCG, infrastructure, textile, agriculture, banking, and digital services in Africa, Asia, and Europe. They trade with companies in over 75 countries, even going behind the Iron Curtain to Estonia. They set up a joint venture with Salim Group and opened the first instant noodles factory in Nigeria and are a leading brand in Africa. Today, the group have JVs with Indofood, Arya Food, Kellogg's, Colgate, and are currently focused on growth in consumer goods and digital services in Africa and beyond.
Yeah, so Tolaram Group was incorporated in 1948 and we entered these markets majorly as a textile player. And then we realized that these markets were mainly dependent on imported finished goods. And then the motivation came that how can we make these countries self-sustained by building as many manufacturing industries as possible. And we picked up a segment called consumer packaged goods. And then consumer needs were made priority and all efforts were made to provide high quality products at most affordable price.
Mr. K.G. Baburajan, Chairman and Managing Director, BKG Holding and Qatar Engineering and Laboratories.
Bahrain-based Indian businessman K.G. Baburajan, winner of the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award, the highest civilian award conferred on overseas Indians, made his journey from Kerala to Saudi Arabia armed with degrees in chemistry and civil engineering. Starting off by working on the Bahrain-Saudi Causeway project from start to finish put him on a high-speed track to expertise, excellence and eminence. Over the years, Mr. Baburajan has been involved in a variety of projects which have showcased his expertise in soil investigations, be it high-rise buildings, dredging and reclamation, offshore installation, causeways, bridges, power plants, aluminium smelters or refineries. Currently, Mr. Baburajan is the chairman and managing director of BKG Holding, the umbrella organization of all companies he has set up in Bahrain and Oman. He has been in the forefront of humanitarian causes, which include building houses for the needy and providing educational assistance within India and the GCC.
I was fortunate to be involved into various mega projects throughout Middle East, not only Middle East, to Yemen, to Russia, even to India and other parts of the world in the field of geotechnical, marine studies and other associate matters including bathymetry, environmental impact assessment, failure investigations, etc. So this experience has brought me to a level where I can definitely compete with any of the nationalities in the world. I am closely associated with the court in Bahrain. Wherever there is disputes in civil engineering field, especially maybe from between the client, consultant or the contractor or the project managers, they appoint me as a technical expert to advise to the court on the matters related to the failure or whatever is the problem. So that way I have been fortunate in the Middle East to gain lot of experience in civil engineering related.
Dr. Krishan Kishore Mathur, Executive Director, Ahmed Muhammad Amin Al Khaja and Sons.
Ahmed Muhammad Amin Al Khaja and Sons, or AMAK, was established in the Kingdom of Bahrain in the year of 1968. The company is powered by its core belief of businesses first and fairness foremost, which brings out the best in their multinational workforce and delivers the best service to clients. Dr. Mathur, a PhD in project management, a master's in business administration, and BE in mechanical engineering, has led the company to achieve incredible growth and is setting a benchmark in each of their lives. What is unique is the exceptional holistic approach towards all workers, which embraces the total well-being, mental, emotional and physical, and gives them a workplace which enables them to deliver their fullest potential. The holding company operates the following subsidiaries: Al-Amin Contracting and Maintenance, Al-Amin Wrought Iron Factory, Al-Amin Shades, Al-Amin Industrial Services, EMAK Property and Development WLL, United Marble and Contracting Company, and Gulf Educational Projects. The company is planning expansion into new areas geographically and in business terms. It has established an undisputed reputation and demonstrated high level of technical excellence in Bahrain.
My journey has taken me through a very different career path, and I am proud that I could add successful leadership and business management to my engineering skill set. Over the years, I have helped to build our group, find reputation for technical excellence, execution of projects for the government, for Aluminium Bahrain, Gulf Petrochemical Industries Company and VIP client. But what I am most satisfied about is that I have helped to create a business template which puts the workforce at the center of our activities, and I have built a bond of trust with my employees at all levels, which truly encourages them to deliver their fullest potential. A leader is one who mentors and takes his team with him to the top.
Mr. Shrikant Nadella, Chief Executive Officer, KFin Technologies Private Limited.
Inspired by passion and driven by technology, KFin Technologies Private Limited is the largest registrar and transfer agency and a market leader in the financial sector, providing investor servicing. KFin Technologies serve the mission-critical needs for asset managers with clients spanning mutual funds, AIFs, wealth managers and corporates in India and abroad. It serves corporate issuers as a registrar and transfer agent and provides outsourcing services to select financial services firms. The company also provides back-end operations and data processing services, besides being a central record-keeping agency under the National Pension Scheme. Shrikant Nadella, a CA with over 20 years of experience in leadership capacity across functions of finance, operations, IT and ITES, strategy consulting, transformation and delivery across diverse industries, has continued to build KFin Technologies not only a strong suite of investor service in India, but has also expanded operations.
KFin Tech is India's largest registrar and one of the 5 largest in the world. We serve over 100 million investors in the financial asset classes of mutual funds, portfolio management services, alternate investment funds, private retirement schemes, and pensions. KFin has won numerous industry awards and has over time become the partner of choice for every new investment manager in the country. Over the past 5 years, every new asset management company that has launched its operations has chosen KFin to be its partner of choice. We are a 5,000 employee strong organization with front office network across the country and, more importantly, digital platforms that permeate across every nook and corner of this country. Over the past half a decade, we made rapid inroads in expanding our lines of services to many a geography beyond India. Amongst them are Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Philippines, and Indonesia. Our immediate and tactical growth vision is to expand geographically, drive depth into our current lines of businesses, enter into new lines of businesses such as InsurTech, Data as a Service, amongst many others. Our growth plan is carefully curated to leverage both buy and build mechanisms in order to drive faster growth whilst creating exemplary platforms and services for investors across the globe.
And now it's time for another short break. Stay tuned as we will be right back with some more success sagas of the greatest brands and leaders.
दोस्तों, मुझे ये बताने में बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि स्टार मंच को बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है। अब आपके सिंगिंग पैशन को मिलेगी एक नई पहचान। आज ही डाउनलोड करें स्टार मंच और पाएं मौका स्टार मंच सिंगिंग सेंसेशन ऑफ इंडिया बनने का। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Welcome back to the Grand Series, Asia One British Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC 2020-21 by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The upcoming category is Asia One Women Empowerment Leaders 2020-21 in association with UN Global Compact Network, which recognizes the achievements of art-inspiring women across varied spheres. The awardees under this category are Professor Sunaina Singh, Vice Chancellor, Nalanda University and Avangard International University with the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India.
Nalanda University, an internationally acclaimed historical university with Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, is located in Rajgir, Bihar. The university was established by Act of Parliament. The honour of re-establishing this university has been entrusted to Professor Sunaina Singh in 2017, largely because of her integrity, intellectual calibre and compelling leadership. Professor Singh is well known as an institutional builder, a woman widely acknowledged for her scholarship, courage, integrity, inventiveness and out-of-the-box thinking in governance. Over the past 4 years, since May 2017, a slew of measures have been initiated to strengthen the edifice of historically renowned Nalanda University. Over 82% of the construction of the campus is completed and the university presently functions from the new campus. Under Professor Singh's leadership, a new academic framework has been created for various academic programs, including global PhD, postdoctoral, short programs offered by various schools and research centers. Professor Singh is among the most prominent leaders in higher education in the South Asian region. A distinguished academician and administrator, she has been conferred the honorary professorship of Oxford Academic Union, Oxford, UK in December of 2020. Recently, she has been appointed on the advisory board of Association of Universities of Asia and Pacific, a global platform and voice of universities in Asia and the Pacific. Professor Singh is the member of Governing Council at the Association of Indian University Comprehensive Language Policy. She is on the executive boards of a large number of central universities nominated by the President of India. She is Academic Advisor India Foundation and Board of Directors Divi's Lab, to name just a few in her ever-growing accomplishments. She has also the distinction of holding the chair of Vice President of Indian Council for Cultural Relations, and has the distinction of being the first woman to head as the president of Shastri Indo-Canadian Institute, a binational research institution with headquarters in New Delhi. As a dynamic teacher, she touches many hearts and inspires many minds.
As a teacher of English literature, I firmly believe that faculty or teachers or institutions have this remarkable or amazing responsibility of creating a new mandate or a new worldview for the younger generation. And as Churchill once said, we make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. So it has been an amazing journey for me, first as a teacher, as a faculty, which I continue to be even till this date. Teaching is a passion, but administratively, I have found that institutions need to be intensely. There's a rigorous discipline that is involved, whereas administrators and governance heads, we have this huge responsibility of how do we carve a niche for the institution? How does the institution bring about an effective change in the world?
Dr. Masooma Rizvi, Managing Director, Belita Design Solutions Private Limited.
Belita Design Solution is one of India's premier interior design firms established in 2007 by Dr. Masooma Rizvi, an interior designer and an art curator. She is the driving force behind the art and interiors of Pravasi Kendra in New Delhi, India's first diaspora center, the Amar Jawan Jyoti in Jaipur, India's first corridor museum, the iconic Buddhist temple in Loyang, China, and the Manekshaw Center in New Delhi, among many other prestigious projects. Dr. Masooma's design mantra is simple and effective: to create interiors that are synonymous with functionality of the space. It is Dr. Masooma's work in a range of projects and a hands-on engagement in interiors of commercial institutions and residential institutions, hotels, museums, art and sculptures that have garnered enviable experiences and accolades for Dr. Masooma and for Belita Design Solutions.
I was born to beautify spaces, and they say our truest passions emerge in childhood. My earliest memory is of a sketchbook full of designs for doing up my room. Design is the one idea, the one thought that excites me, and is the passion that consumes my mind all the time. It controls my life. I was passionate, excited, and I don't think I have ever thought of doing anything but designing all my life. This is my life, and I am still driven by the same passion. It uplifts me. It is deeply satisfying, and I have the same enthusiasm to learn, to excel, and try something new in my field every day. Along with this was a deep-rooted desire to help women who might not be as fortunate as myself to have the freedom to choose their careers.
And those were some awe-inspiring success sagas of some prominent, greatest brands and leaders, Asia and GCC. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.